You ready to do some cooking? What's up, everyone? We are Granite Spoon, and we're a family-run blog doing the things we love, doing the things we enjoy, and just having fun with it. So tonight, what are we gonna be making?
Tonight we're making salmon teriyaki with broccoli and a whole bunch of delicious mushrooms. Delicious mushrooms. It's gonna be delicious.
It sounds amazing.
And nutritious.
Ooh, yes. And if you like this video and videos like this, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We look forward to cooking for you.
So now we're just gonna start chopping up the vegetables. We'll start with the onion. Nothing special, just a rough chop. Chop, chop, chop. Now the ginger, we're gonna peel it with a spoon like we did last time. And we will grate it. And then peel the garlic, grate that as well. We're gonna wipe down the mushrooms with a damp towel. And once all the dirt is off, we're going to quarter them. We're going to add the coconut sugar, then measure out the coconut aminos.
All right, so now we have everything prepped and ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and make the teriyaki sauce, which we start with the coconut sugar, if you wanna pour that in. Now we're gonna do the cocoa aminos. It's actually called cocoa aminos. I thought it was coconut.
I keep calling it coconut.
On the bottle it says cocoa, but every time I hear people say it, they always say coconut. So I'm gonna look into it, and right here, read that. That's the correct thing. Post editing, baby. All right, we're gonna add that.
All right.
And now we're gonna add the garlic and the ginger. Do me the honors.
Ginger.
Ginger.
So we're just gonna whisk it up. We stole Mateo's little whisk thing. He's taking naps, so he'll never know.
I'll never know. He actually got this as a toy for him,
but it's a real thing.
yeah, it's a real thing. It comes in handy. So this is getting mixed up real good. This is what's gonna give your food the flavor. All right, so now that that's done, what is our next step?
We are gonna glaze the salmon with this little one. You ready?
Yeah.
Go get the salmon.
Let's do this.
All right, now we're gonna glaze the salmon using this brush, little silicone brush.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so now that we have our salmon all glazed, we're gonna go ahead and throw it in the oven, and we're gonna bake it on what? Ooh, sushi.
And we have the oven on 400, and we're just gonna bake it for about 15 minutes. I like my salmon cooked a little more than most people.
Yes.
I think 12-15 minutes should be enough.
I think so.
You ready, Freddie?
Let's do it, yeah.
You hungry?
I'm hungry.
Alright, I'm gonna add the veggies, okay?
Okay, good.
I'll start with the onions. Oh, might be hot. You hear that? Add the broccoli. And we're gonna saute this for about 5 minutes.
All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add the rest of the teriyaki sauce that we made to this. And then you're gonna wanna stir it up a little bit. Woo, that looks so good. Excuse me. All right, so let me go ahead and grab the salmon. Ooh, look at that. That's so good. Oh my gosh. Alexa, off.
Ready? Oh my god, I'm
So excited.
Okay,
You ready?
done.
Let's do it.
All right.
Alright, here it goes.
I always do such a good bite. So this little.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. I love it. Mmm.
I'm nice.
You want more?
Want more?
Mmm. Yum. No.
He wants to feed himself.
Oh, you want to feed yourself? You want to take that? You want to feed me? Mmm.
Ooh.
Mmm.
Oh my goodness.
What's this?
Mouse.
What's that?
What's that?
Nose.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching our video today. We had such a good time making it and we really enjoyed eating it.
Yes, especially this one. He went ham on it.
He wanted more and more and more. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we look forward to seeing you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. So cute.